Batsman getting into position to face the first ball of the innings.
Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
Another field change.
It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. That is six. That is just magnificent batting. Can he do it again? And he helps himself to a six.
Things are really heating up and he's getting at the bowler, letting him know exactly where he's going to put the next one.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire